What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a speed test comparison between Honor 6X and Honor 9 Lite. Both of these phones have 3 gigs of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage, and also 1.7 GHz octa-core. So yes, without any further ado, let's quickly power them on at the same time. Here we go. Honor 6X has Kirin 655, whereas Honor 9 Lite is having Kirin 659. And also just keep in mind that Honor 6X is like almost a year old. Yes, I have done factory reset a couple of times, but still, I mean, that old phone is an old phone. And I have already done the speed test of Honor 9 Lite with Mi A1 and Honor 7X. If you want to check that out, link in the description. Let's see what happens here. And okay, Honor 9 Lite first to boot up, and let me quickly draw this pattern. And as you can see, Honor 6X taking some time. Okay, so it's done as well. So guys, everything is ready. We'll start with the phone dialer. Here we go. Okay, so Honor 9 Lite with the start. Next up we have calendar. Okay, so this time Honor 6X seemed just a little bit faster. Chrome. Okay, so that was pretty much similar. Settings. Oh, this time Honor 6X. Camera. This time Honor 9 Lite. So yeah, that's pretty much as always with the basics. We'll start with section A, social apps. First will be Instagram. That look pretty much similar again. Let's try with this Snapchat. Again equal. Twitter. Okay, so this time quite clearly Honor 9 Lite faster. Let's try with this one, Facebook. And again Honor 9 Lite faster, 6X taking some time. And it's completed. Let's try with some of the shopping apps. First will be eBay. Okay, let's see. And okay, so Honor 9 Lite completed, 6X is done as well. Amazon. And quite clearly Honor 6X faster here. Let's try with this GearBest. And in this one, okay, look like Honor 9 Lite. Yes, Honor 9 Lite, and then it was 6X. Flipkart, the final shopping app. And okay, oh, that was a tough call. I think that was equal, looked like Honor 6X, but I don't know what happened there. So yeah, let's try with some of the games. And first up we have Motor Traffic Racer or Race. Okay, yeah, it's Motor Traffic Race. And okay, look like Honor 9 Lite is going to win this. Yes, Honor 9 Lite 6X with a pop-up, but it is slower. Let's try with some more games. Next up we have this Modern Combat. Let's see what happens here. And they are looking pretty much equal here. Okay, so I think 6X was just a little bit faster here. Let's try with this Temple Run. And in this one, let's see what happens. And if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. 9 Lite I think is just looking a bit faster. We'll know real quick. And yes, 9 Lite faster, but 6X also, I mean, not that far behind. And let's try with one final game, that is Subway Surfers. Here we go. After this we'll be doing the browser test, and then finally check the RAM management. And again it seems like Honor 9 Lite may end on the winning side. Yes, it is faster, and 6X, okay, it's done as well. So yeah, let's move to the browsing test. So yeah, first website will be Samsung.com. Here we go. And Honor 9 Lite. Okay, Honor 9 Lite done, 6X done as well. Next website is clickbank.com. Honor 9 Lite opened and loaded up first, and Honor 6X is done as well. So yeah, let's quickly check out the RAM management. Here we go. Let's see what we have. And Motor Traffic Racer in the RAM. Snapchat still in the RAM. Settings refreshed on both. Okay, let's try with this game. Subway Surfers still in the RAM. Temple Run as well. And Twitter okay, in the RAM as well. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up. And as I said, Honor 6X is a year old, so just don't expect that speed and performance as you get when you buy a new phone, but I still feel it did really well. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.